Yes, press record. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is one of those days where I'm experimenting. If you are new, my channel chronicles everything about my life: film, everyday life, travel, food, everything in between, like whatever I feel like actually. So today I've been craving meat pie for like a week and I've decided to try it out. For my feeling, actually, I want to make three things. I want to make fish pie, I want to make beef pie, and chicken pie. Chicken is usually my favorite from Crunches in Calabar, in Nigeria. So for the filling, okay, I'm going to use potatoes and carrots and the protein of my choice. So I have um I have boiled fish with chicken and beef. I have marinated this nicely. So I'm going to take it out so you can see what I mean. Oops, stuck to the bottom of the pot. So I have fish, mackerel fish. You can go back. You can go back. I have mackerel fish, I have beef, and I have chicken thighs. That's what's in the pot. So I marinated this with seasoning cubes, salt, pepper, like the whole 100 yards. Is that what they say? But like it's properly seasoned. And I'm just going to debone this, and then shred the beef into smaller pieces, separate them, and then I'll chop this, boil it. I'm going to show you the process. I'm not a pro. I haven't made pie myself before. So this is me just trying out and trying to satisfy my craving. And the pie specifically that I want is like the Nigerian flavor. Like there's something about it. So that's what I'm trying to replicate. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Oh, say hello to my baby. She's sleeping. This is Myra. You guys, she's a very active baby. And we have a love-hate relationship. She loves me more than she doesn't hate me. I'm just joking. But anyway, sit back, relax, enjoy. Please subscribe, like this video so it gets exposed to a wider audience. And yeah, see you soon.
Stop.
So I boiled it in the same broth that I boiled the protein in. And I wasn't using any measurements to really. I couldn't be bothered. I just let my ancestors direct me. So I put like 3 cups of the flour, and then I added salt and sugar, and that was it. And then I added the butter. And this part, guys, my hands were aching.
Should I put your hand? Should I put your face?
That's what I do is drawing. I hope that.
Wait, Mimi, wait. I don't. Can I stop it?
Yes, ma'am.
Remove that pot from your front.
Maybe I'm supposed to put this thing, flour on the
Yeah, on the table.
It's my This might do.
There's meat pie cutter, you know what?
You have it?
Hmm.
Where is it?
Where you got the foil from? Under, there's a blue bucket.
Well, maybe it's not
You
that
see
bad.
big one and you see small one, yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's not bad. I'll try to use it and see.
Are you sure it's not too thin?
Should I have it?
No, do that. Just put that one away.
How do you mean?
As in, do it. Continue. Finish up that one. Like, do the meat pie now. Put the filling. Yeah, use it like that.
I've used this thing. Which do we make first? So this is the filling. What should I make? Chicken or beef? No answer.
Oh, I thought it was for your viewers.
The viewers won't come answer me from me. So there we have it.
Cut the sides out.
I forgot to
Isn't it when you put in the pan before you write the edges? Okay.
This is not such a good example. See, the first time I'm listening to do this, I don't use my spoon. Terrible first one. Anyway, visit it.
Mara, no. Wait, let me stop. I don't think this light is. Oh, I'm coming. Expand it a little more. You're supposed to use that cutter as it's like this now to cut it round first. Do you understand?
This one.
Well, the way you did it is still okay, sure. Man, stop pulling this light.
Okay, like this you mean? Like this? Oh, okay.
If you do it like that, then you don't even need your upper part.
Look at that. Then put it in.
Yeah, even if you don't put it in, it doesn't matter. But you can still put it in. Put your egg white, don't forget.
Busy egg yolk this you.
Myra.
Is it egg yolk they use?
Pause. Let me put this light back on.
When they say we can use all, right?
Yes, you can just bake the egg.
I don't know what to do again. Oh my god, this is so funny. Mara, can you imagine? Can you imagine what just happened? My sister follow me and laugh. You guys do not believe me. So, I knew that it was one of it, like egg white or egg yolk, but for some reason I did just the egg white. Well, one thing is for sure, cannot take this as a career. I will not be able to do it. From when I was doing like kneading the dough. So this is what we have. I think that this is going to be better.
Mara, what is put you in the video?
From when I was kneading the dough, my muscles were already aching, and I was like, "Woo! Look how perfect that is! Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself." I need to bring my yes, from when I was kneading the dough, and meat pie doesn't even need you to knead too much. But I was really tired.
Ew, I cut your head. Sorry.
I cannot do this. I cannot do this. But look, this is giving me joy. That's like, you know when you study for an exam and then you get into the hall, the questions are just like holy soul. That's what I feel like right now. I think I should take the exam. But from the videos I saw, they said we're not supposed to knead the dough too much. So, anyway, maybe I'm not supposed to use this Bulgarian word first. My baby. Look at my baby, she's awake. Mama, say hi. Say hi. That's so perfect. So she's clothing them, feeding them. So, this is what my pie looks like, you guys. I'm going to try to see if it's cooked. It's clean. So, hopefully, it's ready. Anna. Our pie is ready. This is the one fish pie that I did, so I made it with like the remnant of the dough. Let's see. I don't even know which is which again. Oh yeah. So one mistake that I made is I forgot to line the shape before placing the dough, so it's sort of stuck on it. But let's see what it looks like. Do you want to come closer? I think this is fish. So it's surprise because we don't know what is in it. What is in each? There was no like I had just one size cutter, so I couldn't tell which is which. I couldn't change the shape as well. So let me try it. Let me try this one. But I'm not. This is not even that thing that chefs always do, that when they finish we're going to do like this. This is actually, I'm going to let Grace try and then she'll tell me if I'm exaggerating. Let me do. Talk with you, listen. How is it?
Let me try. I think I just did it for the first time.
Oh my god, say it. They didn't hear you. They didn't hear you. Swallow and speak.
Nobody will believe you're doing this for the first time. It's actually very nice.
Say it out. Say it out. Hi, Myra. Myra, say bye, guys. Thank you for watching.